Back in the shop today with a little update. I got this 5.0 over here. One head's on with the new valve springs. TrickFlow 2500100 kit, the upgrade kit, like the dual valve springs. I got these two done. I got to do the rest of these. I'm just going along as I go and lapping the valves. And the kit was real nice. Came with some pretty dank instructions there. Got my intake all off to the side. I won't be using those valve covers on this motor. I'll be using them on the next 5.0. Of course, I got my 97 over here. But look at that. Freaking awesome. I'm gonna need to redo this, but I didn't have my staple gun, so I can re-stretch that back on there. But I got that new lid, got the new seats. It's from a guy in Dallas. It was sold those to me for 60 bucks, and it only cost me $200 to send Luke down there to grab them for me because I don't have time for that. And then the 2000 Ranger is back together, and it's a little lower in the back, even with those 2-inch lift shackles. So I'm putting a 2-inch lowering kit with new shocks in the front. And it's basically just the springs and the shocks that I'm gonna be putting on there, which will bring that down. I'm gonna clean this guy all the way up, get rid of all these wheels. And the interior on this, I got the seats connected to 12 volts and got them all adjusted back down. And yeah, we're moving right along. I just gotta get this other head together today. And from there, it is taking the transmission apart. And I mean, it's not much else. I don't really have to get the cross member yet, but I've been so busy. Had some medical bills to take care of, but I gotta get my T5 apart and put the new tail shaft on it. I just have little bits and pieces here. I got my push rods. I'm gonna clean and soak the lifters. But yeah, it's coming together here. It's taking me forever. So any of y'all that are kind of keeping up, I apologize, but we'll be pushing out a little bit more 5.0 content here in the next coming weeks. So stay tuned, and peace.